Hi everybody, today we're doing a cooking challenge and opening the box.
Yeah, so we're gonna open the box today because I ordered it from Walmart and I'm gonna show you later when we unbox the box. And tonight we're gonna cook some chicken with our grilling machine, George Foreman, and it's hot and ready to go. Right here.
So hot and
And here's our chicken thighs. I marinated it already with soy sauce, Italian dressing, basil, and black peppercorn for 20 minutes.
It's
So we're gonna put it in here.
the steam is so hot and burning already. I can feel the burningness.
Is it hot enough for you?
Yep.
Yeah.
So here we go. Ready, Bria? There you go. More.
I've never done this.
I wonder how many it takes. Look like it's 4 pieces only.
It smells delicious.
We have like 8 pieces of chicken thighs. No, actually it's 9.
It smells super good. Smell it, everyone. If you wanna do this, then they're available at Walmart. Go get them.
That's Costco. We got those at Costco. Bria. You're pretty good though.
Okay, let's go close it.
Woo! I'm scared.
And we're gonna eat this tonight with our corn right here. We're gonna boil this in a steamer with our big beans. So I'm gonna boil it right now.
Look, this is bison. It says I love bison. I wrote it.
You do.
Because I
Huh?
really love it.
Now we've never tried this before on the George Foreman, so it's going to be an experiment. I think it's going to be about 20 minutes total. George Foreman cooks on top and at the bottom at the same time, so I'm not sure how long it's going to take. I'm going to guess 20 minutes. So they're just the thighs with the bone in, and I think we're going to do about 8 or 10 total tonight. So we're going to just see how this goes and share it with you guys and let you know if it's any good. If it is, I think it's going to be good. Do you think it's going to be good, Bria?
Yeah, I think the camera's upside down.
I know. Yeah, I got a problem with my viewfinder on my Canon Vixia Mini X's camera here. When you flip it the other way, you flip it one way or the other, it's supposed to turn around, go from upside down to regular, but it's not working anymore. It's getting old. We're getting ready for a new camera, aren't we?
Yeah.
We got to buy a new camera, huh?
Yeah, we can just use Mom's camera.
No, we're going to buy a new one because her camera's old too.
And I want to show you guys something. But no, this is Daddy.
Show us your picture.
Okay, here's the picture. So it's a mom, the wizard. I made Mom a wizard. And she has a tree on top of her head. And the sun. And this says, I love Mom.
Yeah, that's nice. It looked like a monkey in there.
In the jungle. And I'll show you something else. Here's Bryson peeking out in the back.
And that's Bryson in the back, huh? Relaxing in bed.
We're gonna show you what's inside of the box.
Yes.
Well, the reason that I ordered this online because I cannot go shopping for now because of Bryson. He's too young to go outside and it's kind of cold too. And that's why I try to order it online. This is my first time really order online. So this is Bryson's clothes and some things in there I'm gonna show you. Because John cannot go shopping Bryson's clothes.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be mommy shopping, so that's why I do it online. I'm excited. Woo, what is that? They make this, they pay this for this one? Air? That's crazy.
I love it. Can we
That's
keep
like 1
it?
pound though.
Can we keep the air?
Well, this one is breastfeeding pads. I have to get it. The reason is I have a lot of milk. So this is really good. You put it in a bra for the milk. So it's like 100 pieces for $9. It's really good things to do for breastfeeding mom. So I recommend this one. I've been using this since I have Brianna also, so it's really worked for me and I like it.
Yeah.
even flu. And
I love
Bria,
this.
look,
Ooh,
this is Bryson's clothes
Yep.
because,
and I love this bag.
yeah,
Oh, you like the plastic wrapping, huh? Or the bubble wrap?
I don't really buy a lot of clothes of him. I buy it in the last 2 weeks and I gave birth. So now I need some clothes for him right now. There we go, I'm gonna show you what's inside of it. So this one is pants.
What size are those?
0 to 3 months. So this is 4 pieces of pants, 0 to 3 months. But this is gonna be the last clothes for 0 to 3 months I ordered because this kid is big. And the next clothes I'm gonna order is gonna be 3 months to 6 months. So this is the pants, and this one is. Oh, this is nice. Look,
Oh, that's nice.
very nice. 2 of this.
And look at this one.
Yeah,
It's so cute.
very cute.
This one is super cute, matching with one of his blankets.
This one is 3 pieces of a hat. It's nice also. Open that, Bria. Can you open it?
I don't know.
And this one, yeah, I need this one too. I change him every night 3 pieces of this because, you know, he gets sweaty and he pees sometimes over here. Oh, very nice. Oh. Mommy makes me smile. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. 5 pieces of this. Oh, it's nice. And what's that, Brie? Open it.
I don't know. Okay, everyone, I really was excited.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, yeah, those are nice.
Yeah, Brianna,
nice.
you have like this before too. This is very nice.
It's matching.
This is big. Yeah, it's 0 to 6 months. That's why it's big. Look.
Well, that's what you should get is bigger sizes for Bryson.
Oh, Bryson is gonna be all over to his feet in this one.
Maybe I could wear
Oh
it.
my god. Oh, I really need these mittens because he has long nails and I don't want him scratching in his face.
This has
How many pairs is 2, 4 pairs of mittens. Very nice. So I like it. I'm gonna keep it. And this is the last clothes for 0 to 3 months. So we're gonna let the chicken cook for 15 minutes and we're gonna check on it after. This is the first time we cook chicken thighs in our George Foreman. So it's gonna be first experience. And we have more in the fridge, so we're gonna keep cooking it and practice it until we make it perfect. So I'm gonna show you what's inside in the box. So here it is. It's 100 pieces to do it like this. And I'm gonna show you how we put it in our clothes. Here we go, see? It's one piece like this. And you open it and there's a tape over here already. You can put it in your bra, or even you wear like this without bra, you just put this tape over here. Go like that, see? So that the milk won't drip in your clothes. It goes in the pads.
Not nipple, you mean
And here's the other one.
you mean boobs. You mean
Yeah.
boobs.
Yeah. Put it right there. And here you go. I'm comfortable right now. So it's really nice. So breastfeeding is really important for mom and baby because the baby can get a lot of nutrients from the mother. Just example, if the baby is sick, the vitamins from the mom is the medicine for the baby. So it's really important to all breastfeeding mom to their kids for being breastfeeding because it's, as I said, the breastfeeding, it's really a lot of nutrients and vitamins in there that the baby can get. In Philippines, mostly in the village, the parents or the mom over there are breastfeeding and the kids are really doing good.
Looks like it's cooking too much on one side.
Looks good.
Yeah, but it's getting overcooked on one side, kind of. So maybe we should have put more on it one side. So I think the trick is I cooked it a little bit too hot, so I'm going to turn it down a little and let it cook longer. But let's go ahead and put this in. That's good. Flip those over, turn it down, let it cook a little slower. And longer. It's got to cook a little longer, I think. We're going to practice and practice till we get it perfect. And the reason we think that breastfeeding is so important, and I think it's becoming very, very popular again, it has been coming back, and people are doing it more and more, women that have children, because mother's milk is like gold to the baby's development and overall health, and the immune system, which transfers from the mother to the baby through the milk supply, mother's milk, and it's been the savior of children around the world for centuries and since the beginning of time, because in many places around the world there isn't enough food to eat. But as long as the mother can breastfeed, the baby can survive, and it's been a saving grace around the world. So we support breastfeeding in public, anywhere necessary, to get the child its nutrients it needs and deserves.
Yep.
And most of the naturopathic doctors we know and midwives do not support using formula, artificial ingredients, stuff made in the laboratory for babies. Brianna breastfed for about 3 years, and as you can see, she's developed just fine.
3.5 years.
3.5 years.
I was breastfed until I was 4 years old. My mom told me.
And
Right, and this is common. This is really common around the world. So only in America they really try to get you off breastfeeding within a month or two, so the woman can go back to work and join the rat race. Right?
Yeah, and Bryson's gonna be breastfed until he wants to stop.
And I want to show you something. Watch this.
Oh, you're having fun, huh?
Yeah, I'm using this as a slippery ride.
Yeah, a little slippery ride.
Got something on your
So Bryson probably breastfeed till he's 2 or 3 years old, and that's fine with me.
Just like Brianna also.
Yeah, they're very healthy and very, very smart. So
Praise the Lord.
Yeah, praise the Lord, and thank God for the information we've learned about natural living and natural health, because that's really what makes the difference. It really does. And we're going to have a nice dinner tonight. Hope you guys are having a good dinner wherever you are in the world. Hope everything's going well.
I hope everybody is happy and everybody is good right now. Corn is done, so I'm gonna take it out. Turn it out. It's been boiling for 10 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to get these off, see what they look like. I think they're done. It's only been about 20 minutes, so maybe they don't take that long to cook. Okay, and let's just see. Okay, honey, let's see, Brianna.
That looks really
I
good.
think it's good. I know it's overcooked a little, but we're going to keep practicing. It's still pretty good. Still pretty good. Yeah, it's definitely done. So that's good. So we'll put on the other 7, and we'll try to make it a little prettier. And Bria, I'll tell you what we're going to have now. Okay, I put a little bit of salt on these, and it's done. Let's go. Bone down. It's feeling a free in here. I think you miscounted there, darling.
Maybe bite it not again.
Yeah, no, I gotta say, I don't like to say, but somebody's not good in math. Brianna's good in math, but Mommy, I don't know. All right. Okay, this is dinner tonight. This is hot. Ouch. Not bad. That's actually the first time I ever made chicken on the George Foreman. First time, I swear. First time ever. Usually it's steaks or hamburgers or something else.
Pork chop.
Pork chops. But man, that's the first time, and it really cooks good and doesn't have too much grease left over in that little tray, and doesn't take that long. So cook them on medium and flip them a couple times. I could flip mine a little more so it didn't burn, but still, it's really, really good, really tasty and really moist and tender. So enjoy, and try to make this sometime if you guys got a George. But anyway, if you don't have one, make it anyway and just spill it. But talk to you later. Have a great day, guys. We'll talk next time. Bye-bye.
Hurry up, I'm hungry.
All right, let's go.
I'm hungry by watching. Oh my God. Ooh, yummy.
That's sweet corn too.
All right.
Nice sweet corn.
Bye, everybody. I'm gonna check Brianna and Bryson in the other room.
It's constantly No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong.
Today I'm watching my movie.
I love the better below you tell myself that this is the last time. I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when
I would say what
you.
like
I hurt myself for you. On the ground.
so that's what it looks like. Look down there.
There it is,